Ever felt that frustration when your car's warning light comes on and you have no clue what's wrong? What if I told you there's a tool that can not only read every single code, but also test your TPMS sensors, reset systems, and even save you a trip to the mechanic? Stay with me, because today I'm reviewing the Autel MaxiCOM MK808TS, one of the most powerful diagnostic tools for DIYers and pros alike. Today's review is all about the Autel MaxiCOM MK808TS, a scanner that claims to give you dealership-level diagnostics right in your garage. Let's see if it really delivers. What is this? The MK808TS is a professional-grade, all-system OBD2 scanner with TPMS and service functions built in. It's part of the Autel's MaxiCOM series, designed for both car enthusiasts and technicians who want to do more than just read codes. Key features. Here's what makes the MK808TS stand out. Full system diagnostics. It scans every module from engine and transmission to ABS, airbag, and more. Complete TPMS functions. Activate, program, and relearn tire pressure sensors. 28+ service functions, including oil reset, EPB, SAS, DPF regen, throttle, and more. Large 7-inch touchscreen. Easy to navigate with a fast Android interface. Wi-Fi updates. No need for a computer, just update directly from the device. Auto-VIN and live data graphing for faster, smarter diagnostics. How to use it. Using it is simple. 1. Plug it into your car's OBD2 port. 2. Turn on the ignition. It automatically detects your vehicle. 3. Choose the system you want to diagnose. 4. Run a full scan. You'll see live data, fault codes, and TPMS sensor status right away. You can even print or save reports to share with your mechanic or keep for your records. Unboxing. Inside the box, you get the Autel MaxiCOM MK808TS tablet, the OBD2 connector cable, a set of adapters for older vehicles, user manual, and a durable carrying case. Everything feels solid and professional, like it's built to last. Pros and cons. Pros: extremely fast and responsive. Full TPMS plus all-system scan in one device. Lifetime free updates for the first year. Professional build quality. Cons: doesn't support ECU coding like high-end models. Updates after the first year may require subscription. Price and value. Now, for the price, it usually costs around $600 to $800 depending on where you buy it. And honestly, for what it offers, that's incredible value. You're getting a tool that can easily pay for itself after a few uses, just by avoiding unnecessary trips to the dealership. Final thought. So, is the Autel MaxiCOM MK808TS worth it? If you're serious about maintaining your own car or even starting a small auto repair business, absolutely yes. It's powerful, accurate, and gives you full control over diagnostics and TPMS systems all in one sleek tablet. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know what tool you want reviewed next. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and keep those engines running smooth.